Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shanahan, and is nearly stationary and developing slowly south and east. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morris, Shanahan, Minooka, Braidwood, Wilmington, Coal City, Diamond, Elwood, Lakewood Shores, and Carbon Hill. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 233 and 248. Interstate 80 between mile markers 111 and 119, and near mile marker 123. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no